I feel confident. Now I've had it done, not only the surgery, but the facial peel. I have had friends come up, because I didn't tell many people, I have had friends come up and said, oh, you've had your hair cut, it really suits you. They have no idea that I haven't had my hair cut, but I've had surgery, and they think it's the hair that's making the look. And I tell them, no, I've had surgery. They said, you look so refreshed. I'm happy to look that way. Very happy.
Former smoker, she had concerns of aged appearance, her overall skin texture. She had an upper and lower lid blepharoplasty, a deep plane facelift, fat grafting to the cheek and perioral region. Healed very nicely, and that's a great advantage of the deep plane lift. It's a little safer in smoking patients. She underwent a HALO, dual wavelength laser resurfacing, to really remove the dyschromias or the color abnormalities of her skin, and that's a very powerful combination.
I'm 64 years old, and I had my facelift when I was 63. I had got to a stage where no amount of makeup was going to change my skin texture, the fact that it was loose. I had the eye flats thing starting to come on. With the skin that I had, I felt old in my skin, and I looked the age I am. And I didn't feel that way inside. I don't know any woman that really does. I went for it.